Hey, what's up, Star Status? Before we start today's video, I want to let you know you can go over to Spotify right now and type in 3D to Rap Star, and my new music is on there. Make sure you hit that follow button and listen to the slaps. So I really don't care, long as it got the red seats. That's the only feature I care about in the Camry. I don't care what it got. The only feature I wanted in the new Camry was these red interior. Woo! So right now, looking at this Camry, as you can see, other people are looking at it as well. I think I want to get it. We're going to run the numbers and see if it's even possible. And as you can see, this one is the windshield pearl white. There's a lot of people in here looking at it, but ooh, 19-inch wheels. That's a nice addition. And what's that? Wait, I don't think they're ready for it. What's that? Bam! The red interior, the red guts. But as you know, this is an XSE. But it does not have the panoramic roof or a sunroof, so it's not actually that bad because this will be my family car. And I actually was bringing the Corolla down here for service, and I seen this, and it's a 2020, so I said, you know what, why not? So I don't need the sunroof as a second car. This will be perfect. So it looks like the sale is finalized. So why am I even bringing this to the page? Because you know, Star Status, I bring everything related, you know, as into the CL. And don't worry, more CL videos are coming as always. But I had to bring this update. I wasn't even planning on getting the car today. But if you guys remember, when I got my Corolla, I always said that I wanted a Camry because it was bigger. So this is a good addition. Pulling it off the showroom floor. Woo, that feels good on a Toyota. You know what they always say, but it's just a Camry. And that's right, because as you can see, what's that in the background? What's that? What's that? That looks like the CL. Yep, that's my CL. I came down here, you know, really to drop off the Corolla and keep going. But as you can see, this turned out to be a good deal as it is a 2020. So that's what I really like about it. Besides the red guts, it's just like getting a brand new car. And as you guys know, I'm not into the talk of which one's better, Honda, Toyota. I just like the Toyota because they just stepped it up, like just being realistic. This is like the hardest looking 2020 car like on the market, like just look wise alone, like just as a standard mid-sized car. And shout out One Toyota Oakland. That's where you need to be. They're having real good specials and real good deals right now. So I'll end up getting this one, 2020. The best part is the red guts. I'll show you in a little while. Got that pearl. Got a little nick right there on the side. But other than that, that's the Corolla right there. So right now what we're planning to do is we need to transfer everything out of this car and put it in the Camry. I always wanted a Camry, so that was always first when I came. I mean, I'm gonna miss my little Corolla because but as for like a family car, we needed something bigger. So as you can see, that blue metallic is really nice. All the Camrys are really nice, like all the colors and everything. Ooh, the 2020, I don't even know where the button's at. I don't even know where nothing is at on here. Gave me a full tank of gas. Come to One Toyota Oakland, you gotta go see Anthony. That's his name. They got new Camrys right here that they're just, man, this is like man, I know it's a Camry to some, but to me it's more than a Camry. I got the updated JBL system, got Apple CarPlay, and most importantly, these red guts that I always wanted. This is crazy. So one of the best parts I do like about the system already is this is big enough and it's touchscreen. You got your home, menu, audio, and map. So one touch of the map will take you to the center of the whole map. And I'm not gonna lie, for a Toyota Camry, I did not think it would have so many features, meaning like over features for a Camry. But I did get the 2020 Camry, as you did see earlier, me getting it off the showroom. This has a JBL premium sound system, so this car is equipped with a lot of features for a 2020. Let me just show you. It has Bluetooth audio. It does has Apple CarPlay, got the pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert. So it has a lot of these things, and if you are worried or if you are wondering, yes, it does. There's the blind spot right there, detection. I'm gonna show you guys one of the main things I do like about this car. I did get the 4-cylinder. I opted to get the one with no panoramic roof, and I will show you guys why I did. Is because, well, I don't really have to show you guys. I think everyone knows, because I got a CL. My channel is the CL channel, so it already came equipped tinted. And if you hear it clicking like that, it's because the key is in my pocket right here. And I love this key. It's a key, but it's like not a key. Bruh. The best part I love, I did not know this star status. I did not know this. Look at these laser cut lights. I don't know how everyone else look at it. And I know I've been hearing some stuff of people saying, well, it's just a Camry. And that's true. When it comes down to the end of the day, it is just a Camry. As we have our CL star status, we had that red chrome car. We have our main car. But this as an extra, so I did trade in the Corolla. I think I do got the wind chill pearl white, as you can see. It has every feature. It just doesn't have the, I just don't have the panoramic rooftop. But look at the laser cut lights. Trying to get that perfect angle, you know, on the camera it doesn't show that good, but there it goes right there. And I'm not gonna lie, Camry stepped it up big time. But I have a 99 Camry, and that's why I got the Camry. So the debate of Camry versus Honda, I'm not really a fan of Honda. I love their cars. I do like the Accord. I do love it. But the only reason why I didn't get it is because my family and our history comes from having Camrys. And being that our 1999 Camry has been so good that I just love this car. As I'm not gonna lie, it looks beautiful. I did not know about the laser cut tail lamps, and I'm gonna show everyone why I did buy this car. I only bought it for one reason. I know that might sound weird, but you know how we buy the CL because it's pillarless, it's rare. I actually really got this for one reason, and that's the red interior seats. We'll get a better look of it and a better video when it's daytime, as I did already on the other video. But so I'm not bummed out about not having the two-tone, as I went with the 4-cylinder. This is a car for me to go to work in. It's an extra car. It's a commuter car, but it's lovely. It's only 11K on the clock. So in a sense, it's used. Yes, it's used. It's certified used, but in a sense, it's new because it's a 2020 model year. And it was just coming off a lease. The only thing I noticed when I purchased it was this right here. That's the only real thing that's kind of, but I didn't really mind because I got it at a good price. And I didn't put any money down because my credit, and plus I already had some equity in the Corolla when I got it. So this is not an official review. If the star status do want an official review, let me know in the comments. I can give you an official review of this car when everything is ready, and I mean when you guys want it. What I do like is a nice touch. Look at that right there, and it's like carbon fiber right there. Can't really see it, it's still dark, but this thing is gorgeous. And so as on all other keys, you got your lock, your unlock, your trunk, and you know what used to be called the panic button. So if you just hold that down, your trunk will open. But the reason why it won't open, which is a good feature, is because the key is in my hand and the engine is on. So why would it open? So if you ever come across that engine on, you know, it's real simple. It is like everyone would say, it is a Camry. You just hold this down and voila. I just really did this got my work boots. I really did this to show you guys the trunk size. Look at that space. It's a lot of space, and that's why a lot of people get this, because it is a good mid-size car. So remember the great debate of Honda versus Toyota. I don't really care. I'm not really into which one's better. I could care less, really. But I just got this one because of reliability. Yes, the other ones are reliable as well. But for me, this does it for me because, like I said, our heritage of us having Camrys and they're always being good, solid cars and nothing ever happening to them, that's enough right there for us to say, you know what, let's go get a 2020 if our 99 is still rolling. So I always wanted this car, but at a time earlier when I had the Corolla, I couldn't get it because they weren't having any specials. So I did finance. I have a 3% interest rate, but just look at it like this. In 5 years, this car only gonna be 5 years old, and that's if I decide to keep it. But look at this thing, it's gorgeous. I know it's the pearl, may can't see the pearl that good, but it does have a pearl.